Hey guys, welcome to Best Buy. I'm here in Cumming, Georgia, and it's at a marketplace, and they are running a sale. That is the 60th anniversary sale. Is the perfect time to come and buy some technology products. If you have kids going to college or high school, definitely they need the laptops, the screen, the monitors, the iPads and Android phones, and what all they need for college is all here. And here is a guy who will explain us what all sale going on in the Best Buy. What's your name?
My name is Tegan, and this Saturday at Best Buy, it's our 60th anniversary, and it's going to be limited to 50 people, but we're going to be doing $60 gift, or you pay $60, you get a $100 gift card, but it's limited to 50.
Only 50 people, whoever comes first?
Yes, ma'am.
First come, first walk-in basis?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's so nice.
So get here soon.
So
we open at
Saturday?
10 o'clock. Yes,
this
ma'am.
Saturday, that is the date is what?
It is the
21st,
22nd.
22nd August. So he's giving you, Best Buy is giving you a $100 gift card if you spend $60, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So do come to Best Buy here, and they have beautiful things going on. And the sale is you're saving $450 if you buy the HP OmniBoot, and that's for $749. They have another saving of $230 if you buy Lenovo Pad Slim 3, and that the price is $189, and then $179.99 for Samsung 32. They have another sale from Apple 11-inch iPad A16 chip for $399, so you get the saving of $50. There you go, you have Apple AirPod 4, price is $99.99, you save $30 on that. So there's a lot of sale on this. Do have a good look of it, and you can also join and have a Best Buy card. You can multiply 10x time in rewards. So Best Buy plus the total, there's a lot of membership going on. Do that also.
And
plus
we are also, with the deal we're having right now, it's until the 7th, but you can either get the Best Buy card and get 15% back on your purchase from that day within 24 hours, or if you didn't want to buy anything in full, you can break it up. We have 6-month, 12-month, and limited 18-month financing.
Yeah, so there is a detail of 6-month financing if you buy $149 and up, 12-month financing on $299 and up, 18 months financing on $599 and up, and 24 months financing on $649 and up. So don't forget to take this deal, and this boy is here to help you.
All 0% interest if you hit that minimum every month.
Yeah, so don't forget to come and help the Best Buy employees, and do come and take these deals and be a member and get the 15% back in rewards. So they close at 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock?
9 o'clock.
So they're closing at 9 o'clock, and the gates open early morning on Saturday at
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. So 10 o'clock to 9 o'clock, please come to Best Buy at Marketplace, and have a good day. Take care and have a nice day. Bye, Keegan.
Bye.
Take care. So beautiful Lake Lanier. It's 6:45. मगरिब हो रही है. एक खूबसूरत समा और लहराती हुई लेक, और ये खूबसूरत वादियाँ, ये पेड़, और वो सामने रोड, कुछ बर्ड्स, कुछ तालाब में कायक में घूम रहे हैं. सनडाउन हो रहा है. माशाल्लाह से अल्लाह का करम, अल्लाह की खूबसूरती, अल्लाह की ये रहमत, तालाब और ये पेड़ और ये खूबसूरत आलीशान जगह, साइलेंट माशाल्लाह से. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. ब्यूटीफुल लेक Lanier in Atlanta, Georgia.